Let's have a look at sending vouchers from Huggg via email. I'm going to do an example here with a supermarket voucher. Here we go. First on the list of the food types is supermarkets. In the middle here with all the brand names, these are the brands that the recipient will have a choice between. So when they receive the voucher, they can pick any one of these. And I need to choose how much it's going to be sent for. So let's say £20. And I want to send a £20 supermarket voucher via email. So we'll click next. And you can pick one of the drop downs for the message that shows in the preview at the side here, or you could write your own message. And then go to the details. Now there's a number of options I could choose here. I really like sending things via email or text on the system. If you choose one of these two options, it will send 3 reminders before the expiry date comes around, so up to 3. And that just allows for the system to remind the person that they have something there, that they've got a voucher. Having those reminders sent out does increase redemption rates, so it's great to have those. But what you can do is share the voucher link yourself. You could just create a link and send that away from the system, or you can create a printable letter that has the code, has a QR code on the letter itself, so people can still make the choice. But let's say we're sending an email today, and I'm going to type in an individual's email address. In this case, mine. And you'll want to add some notes so that you can find this again. So this is just for you, it's not for the recipient. If you need to go and search for this voucher link again, you can use these notes. It will feed into the reporting as well, so you can just think of whatever unique identifier you want to put in that box, and that's what you need to add to the notes. Now, I've just added that recipient, and I could add another. But let's say I've decided I don't just want to send this £20 supermarket voucher to one person, I want to send it to a number of people. So you could put a list of email addresses in here separated by commas. Or if you have a list, great. You can upload a long list, anything up to 2,500, and download the template first so you can add your names and notes to the file that we're going to upload. So here's my list. Here's the list of example emails that I'm going to use. And I'll paste them into here. Now, you can put your unique identifier notes against each one of these. Case numbers, number of family members, whatever you need to put in there, names, addresses, whatever. And then I'm going to save that. And that's what we're going to now upload into here and add email addresses. Okay, and then we close. You can now see that they've all dropped down here, and the notes against each one of them are there. You can change them, save them, and then go to the next page. Okay, we could send now. We could schedule a send, but I'm going to send you these all now and pick an expiry date. Now you can custom pick a date. I'm just going to pick tomorrow. That will be the date by which your recipients have to have chosen their supermarket or chosen their store, whichever kind of voucher you've given them. So they need to have clicked on the link and claimed the voucher. They don't have to have spent it in the store by that point. But if they haven't claimed the voucher, then the money goes back into your Huggg wallet. It goes back into your Huggg account and you can reuse it. Don't forget, if we're sending via an email, they'll get 3 reminders before that date as well. So you can customize any of this right up until the point you're sending it. And there we go, and pay. Your 9 links have been sent. Now I can go and look at those in voucher history. I could change the notes, I could download a CSV, and the link status is showing as sent at the moment, and that will change when those people open the link. So that means they've clicked on the link in the email, then it shows as opened.